Hello buddies, so today I have a very special package. Here it is. It is my squishy package that I partially ordered for my birthday. So I'm just gonna open it now because I don't want to wait because I'm very impatient. So yeah, I ordered this from DEPOP, a DEPOP seller. Go check them out. I will leave their information down in the description if you guys want to go check them out. But yeah, I am very excited, so let's just open it. I got my knife and yeah, so let's just open it. So how do I open this? Guess I'll start over here. I'm probably going to speed up the video because I'm trying not to cut anything, but yeah. It taped it very well, I can tell you that. So yeah, so like I said, I did all of this from DEPOP. My knife. Okay, just gonna pull that open. I've got my scissors really, but I couldn't find them, so that sucks. Take my address off. Part of my address. So excited. So I managed to open it. Wow. So this is what I got. Well, just show you a little peek. So let's open this first. Let's see. This is my second time ordering from this person. So it got this little thing that I could put squishes in. Yeah. So it gave me this magnet or something. Or was this? I think it's a magnet. So they gave me this magnet. I think, I'm not too sure, but thank you for that. Here's the thank you note. It says, "To Ella, thank you for purchasing. Hope you enjoy it. Happy birthday from official Kawaii Squish." So thank you for this kind note. See? And then they gave me some charms. I already know what this is because I've got some charms already from them. They also sent me a lovely birthday thing, present as well in this package. So yeah, it's just some stickers. So you can see it's just a bunch of stickers. And then I got some charms. You can see just a bunch of charms and stuff. So thank you for that, and this is the package it came in. Okay, so where do I start first? Okay, so I'm gonna start with this poly this poly hamster holding a little seed. It's so cute with the back. Wow, it's super slow rising. That's so cute, guys. It smells amazing too. So this is the first one. It's still rising, as you can see. But yeah. I opened because they gave me this as like a present. But next I have this Yummy Bear macaron. So yeah, here it is. Comes with the tag, and it's got like a little acrylic charm with it as well, so that's cute. So I have that. Okay, next I have this Yummy Bear donut. Super squishy, and it's very, very cute. So I have this, and then I pull out these two mini marshmallow mermaids. So we have the boy version and we have the girl version. Let's see. Very cute and squishy. It's very, very slow racing. Okay, so this is the boy version. Okay, then we got the girl version. So yeah, that's so cute. Like, I knew they were going to be small, but I didn't know they were going to be that small. Then the other things we got is these cute mini tofus. Look how cute they are, guys. So this is the girl tofu. Here's the tag, sorry I didn't show you properly. So that's the girl version, I think. Yeah, the girl version. And here's the boy version. So yeah. And then here is the Yummy Bear version. Here's the tag. So yeah, that is very, very cute. Let's see now. What do I show you now? Oh. Okay, so I'll just show you these. If I can all get them in my hand. Probably not. So I got the full set of these Yummy Bear donuts. I'll just show you individually. So first up, I got this blue version. You can see. Wow. Packaging did come open, but that is totally fine. So that's the blue version. Next we got the pink version. Wow. So that is the pink version. Next we got the chocolate version, or the brown version. Wow, this one's really squishy. So that one. Next we got this purple one. And all of them come with this acrylic tag, I believe. Just got that one. And then the last one, we have this very cute rainbow one. Here's the tag. So yeah, okay, then the last purchase things I got are these. Let me just get them out real quick. Oh, I dropped it. How am I going to show you? I have no idea. Okay, I got these cute full set of these poly fruit buns. So I'll show you the design and stuff. Okay, this one did come open, but that's fine as well. So this is the fruity bun. I got the full set. So this is the banana one. I'm not going to check it out packaging, but yeah, that is so cute. Okay, next I got this apple. I believe it's apple. The apple design. The tag. Okay, apple design. Then next I got the strawberry design. It's the tag. So super cute. Okay, then the last few ones I have is the pineapple. The pineapple version. So this is a very cute design. And then the last one I have is the watermelon one. Tag. This is the watermelon one. So thank you for those cute squishies. Okay, and then the last gift that they gave me this birthday gift. So I have no idea what's inside. So let's just get opening it. Oh, so cute. Okay, so first thing, they gave me this cute, is this like a dumpling or something? I don't know. This is so cute. Wow. I think these are common squishies, but I don't care. These are adorable. Thank you for that. That's so sweet of you for giving me these squishies. Next we got this cute little dinosaur squishy. Super soft, and look how slow racing it is, guys. Wow, that is so cute. Okay, so thank you for that. And then the last one, oh my god, that is this little owl bun thing. So thank you for that. And the paper. So you didn't have to give me these free birthday presents / extras, but thank you so much, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.